Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. It is Vlogmas Day 2 and we are here at the Walmart because we ordered something online and we have to pick it up at the pickup station. I can't show you what it is because it's a Christmas gift and the person that it's for watches these videos. So let's go get it.
What's the name?
Betsy.
Yeah, I'll be right down with over there.
Oh, I thought it'd be in this thing.
No, it depends on what it is.
Oh, okay. We got the item. We got it. Apparently they didn't keep it in the tower because it's too expensive of an item or something. I don't get it. I don't get it. But I think today we're going to work on the tractor for a little while. So let's go do that. Alright guys. Ooh, got my sand hat on. We are going to pull this tractor in while it's warming up before we paint it. Well, we're just going to prime it today. We're not going to paint it. And then we are going to clean out the truck. So let's watch a video of me pulling this thing in. That was really heavy and it's really cold and now my hands hurt. Alrighty, so I got a bunch of junk in this truck. While that thing's warming up, let's go clean out the pickup. I'll just do it the easy way. Whoa, magic. It's all cleaned out. I didn't vacuum or anything because, well, it's winter and if you're anywhere in the winter, you know what happens to your vehicle. Salt and shit. Yeah, now this stuff has to go to the old lady's house, so that's gonna stay in the truck. Snow brush, you know how that does. You gotta have that. So, all cleaned. Let's go. Alright guys, so we have the prep work done. I'm not gonna prime the whole thing today because I just don't have enough time or materials. I'm just gonna prime the main portions. So I'll set you guys up. Let's go like here. Let's get going. Alright guys, let's take a walk around. She's looking all primed up. Prime is still wet. So we're going to have to let this dry. I did run out of primer in that can. I know I'm not using the best quality stuff. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm kind of winging it and learning. I'm watching videos and learning. But I do know that once this dries, we might shoot it again, I don't know. But I know that we have to sand it down and make it smooth that way for the next, when we do the red. But I also have to finish priming the rest of the tractor. So, we're having it, this weather kind of screws me. Right here. As you can see, it's snowing, and the issue is I cannot leave this tractor inside. So that's kind of why I wanted to prime it, because I didn't want the weather to start to rust what I already had sanded down. And I mean, it did a little, so I had to clean that up before I prepped it and everything. So I kind of need to do this in steps. So like do this, and then I'll do the next step, and then I probably won't be able to paint it till the spring, unfortunately. But it is what it is. It looks so weird white, but you know what that is? That's progress. Dang, dude. She's all dried up. We definitely need another coat, at least one more coat of primer on there. Justin into his house.
Wow.
Hey, do you think that she thinks my tractor's sexy?
Doubt it.
Alright, we're gonna do a second set of primer, second coat of primer on this bad boy, and then we're gonna see what we got left. Maybe work a little more on it, because I'm gonna have to buy more primer, it looks like. Alright everybody, so you see we got most of the front primed, got all this, and then I started back here. And I ran out of primer, so I need to get more primer. I have to pull these wheels off so I can get all that. And then I got high heat primer for the motor, but I gotta get tape because I want to tape everything off, make that all nice. So we have a lot of work cut out for us, but we are working hard. We are going to get this thing done sooner or later. We will get there. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This is Vlogmas, so we will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you tomorrow.